The executives at major software companies are nervous right now, and they should be. The launch of DaVinci Resolve 20 represents a fundamental shift in how video editing works. This wasn't just a cosmetic update. The entire codebase was rewritten to support AI-driven editing that runs locally on your hardware rather than in the cloud. While the marketing materials claim there are over 100 new features, our testing revealed that the number is inflated. However, the 10 AI tools that actually function as promised are capable of saving creators hours of busy work every single week, and nearly all of them are available without a subscription. The timing of this release is crucial. As subscription prices across the industry continue to creep upward, creators are actively searching for alternatives. Resolve has long been the standard for color grading, but this update marks an aggressive expansion into automated editing. The difference lies in integration. These AI tools aren't just plugins, they are woven into the fabric of the editing, color, and audio workflows. We are going to bypass the marketing fluff and focus strictly on the utility of these tools for YouTubers and professional editors. Let's examine the real-world utility included in the free version. The most significant advancement is in object isolation. Known as Magic Mask V2, this technology allows for the instant separation of a subject from the background. In the past, this required frame-by-frame manual masking, a process that could take hours for a single clip. Now, the software understands the difference between a person and their environment, handling movement and obstructions automatically. For narrative and interview editors, the workflow has also been automated. New tools allow users to upload a text script, which the software then uses to assemble a timeline automatically. Furthermore, for multi-camera productions like podcasts, the system can now analyze audio waveforms to determine who is speaking, automatically cutting between camera angles. While not perfect, it removes the tedious labor of the initial rough cut. Finally, the polish phase has been streamlined with automated audio balancing and the instant generation of animated subtitles, features that previously required dedicated third-party software. This technological leap brings us to the economic question. Is this the end of the subscription model? When you look at the math over a 3-year period, the leading subscription software will cost a user nearly $1,200. The free competitor costs $0. Even the paid studio version is a single, one-time payment. The free version includes the vast majority of the AI tools we just discussed. The paid upgrade is generally only necessary for cinema-level deliverables, extreme resolution exports, or specific noise reduction needs. For 90% of independent filmmakers and corporate video teams, the free tier is no longer a light version. It is a fully capable professional suite. Here's the final verdict on this update. While the marketing may oversell the quantity of features, the quality of the AI implementation is undeniable. The technology has successfully moved from gimmick to utility, drastically reducing the time spent on technical tasks like tracking and syncing. You should switch software if you are tired of subscriptions, if you prioritize color and audio quality, or if you produce multicam content. You should stay with your current subscription only if your entire workflow depends on a specific ecosystem like After Effects, or if you rely on cloud-based collaboration tools. But honestly, it is free. Go download it and try the new tracking tools just once. It will change your workflow. If you want the deep dive, including a complete feature-by-feature comparison table and the exact hardware specs you need to run these AI tools smoothly, check out the full review article linked right below in the description.